Spocket has carved out a significant niche in the dropshipping world, primarily known for its focus on high-quality products from US and EU suppliers, promising faster shipping times and better product quality compared to some of the more general marketplaces out there. This emphasis on quality and speed is a huge advantage for building customer trust and reducing chargebacks. But like any premium service, this often comes with a price. So, let's cut through the noise and dive deep into Spocket's pricing structure. Forget those vague, starting at prices. We're going to give you the real monthly breakdown, including those often overlooked details that can make a big difference. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Does Spocket offer a free plan? Yes, they do have a free plan, but it's important to understand its limitations. The free plan allows you to browse their extensive product catalog and explore the platform's interface. You can search for products, check out suppliers, and get a feel for how Spocket works. However, you cannot process any orders with the free plan, nor can you access many of the advanced features that make Spocket truly powerful, like branded invoicing or access to premium products. Think of it as a robust window shopping experience, great for exploring, but not for actually running a business. It's a fantastic way to see if Spocket's product selection and supplier network align with your niche before you commit any money. Now, let's talk about the paid plans. Spocket typically offers 4 main paid tiers, each with its own monthly cost and a progressively richer set of features. The Starter, Pro, Empire, and Unicorn plans. The Starter plan is usually the most budget-friendly entry point into Spocket's paid offerings. As of now, the Starter plan typically costs around $39.99 per month if billed monthly. What do you get for that? This plan generally allows you to import a limited number of unique products, often around 25. You'll get access to their general product catalog, 0% transaction fees, which is a huge plus compared to some other platforms, and 24/7 chat and email support. This plan is ideal for absolute beginners who are just testing the waters with their first dropshipping store and have a very focused product niche. It lets you get a feel for the entire order fulfillment process without a huge upfront investment. However, you won't get access to premium products or branded invoicing, which can be significant as your business grows. Moving up, we have the Pro plan. This is often the most popular choice for dropshippers who are ready to scale a bit. The Pro plan usually comes in at approximately $59.99 per month when billed monthly. For this price, you get everything in the Starter plan, but with significant upgrades. You can typically import a much larger number of unique products, think around 250. More importantly, you gain access to a limited number of premium products, which are often bestsellers or products with higher profit margins and have been vetted by Spocket for quality. You also get branded invoicing, which is a fantastic feature for building your brand identity, as well as the ability to chat directly with suppliers for better communication. The Pro plan is perfect for growing businesses that are starting to see consistent sales and want to offer a broader range of products while maintaining a professional image. Next up is the Empire plan. This tier is designed for established dropshippers looking to significantly expand their product offerings and streamline operations. The monthly cost for the Empire plan is typically around $99.99. With the Empire plan, you're looking at a substantial increase in the number of unique products you can import, often as many as 10,000. You also get access to a significantly larger pool of premium products. This plan often includes additional features like eBay and Amazon dropshipping capabilities, expanding your sales channels beyond just your own e-commerce store. For businesses with high sales volume and a desire to diversify their product catalog and sales platforms, the Empire plan offers the necessary tools and product capacity. Finally, at the top of the spectrum, we have the Unicorn plan. This is Spocket's most comprehensive offering, typically priced at about $299.99 per month when billed monthly. As the name suggests, this plan is for large-scale dropshipping operations with substantial product needs. You get access to an even higher number of unique and premium products, often up to 25,000 or more. Beyond the increased product limits, the Unicorn plan often includes advanced features like bulk checkout, which can save a tremendous amount of time for businesses handling a high volume of orders, and potentially dedicated VIP support. If you're running a massive dropshipping business, or you're an agency managing multiple stores, The Unicorn plan is built to handle that kind of scale. Now, a very important point that can significantly impact your monthly cost. Annual billing. Spocket, like many subscription services, heavily incentivizes annual payments. While the monthly costs we've discussed are for month-to-month billing, paying annually can result in substantial savings, often reducing your effective monthly cost by 20% to 50% or even more, depending on the plan and current promotions. For example, a Pro plan that costs $59.99 monthly might drop to an equivalent of $24 or $29 per month if you commit to an annual subscription. If you're serious about dropshipping and plan to use Spocket for the long haul, seriously consider the annual option. The savings can be significant over a year. Beyond the subscription fees, are there any other costs to consider? Spocket prides itself on having 0% transaction fees on their paid plans, which is a big win. However, remember that you'll still have standard payment processing fees from your chosen payment gateway, like Stripe or PayPal, which are separate from Spocket's charges. These are typically a small percentage of each transaction, plus a small fixed fee. Spocket also sometimes has a small fee to access their 14-day free trial if you use a credit card, though you might be able to avoid it by signing up with PayPal. Always read the fine print when starting a trial. When choosing a plan, think about your current business stage and your future aspirations. Are you just starting out with a single product niche? The starter plan might be perfect. Are you seeing consistent sales and want to expand your catalog with high-quality items? The Pro plan is likely your sweet spot. Are you a high-volume seller looking for maximum product variety and efficiency? Then the Empire or Unicorn plans are worth considering. Don't overcommit to a plan that offers features you won't use, but also don't hamstring your growth by choosing a plan that's too restrictive. Spocket makes it relatively easy to upgrade your plan as your business grows, so you can always start smaller and scale up when needed. The value proposition of Spocket really comes down to the quality of its products and the reliability of its suppliers, primarily based in the US and EU. This means faster shipping to major markets, which leads to happier customers and fewer headaches for you. When you factor in the potential for higher customer satisfaction and repeat business due to faster delivery and better product quality, the monthly cost of Spocket can quickly become a worthwhile investment in your dropshipping success.